Hey guys, today I'm going to explain the first part of Bangla drama that focused on love, family pressure, and emotional control. This story mainly revolves around Mehreen, her stepfather, and another family where two brothers, Fahad and Samir, represent two very different lifestyle. This first part slowly builds emotional tension and prepares us for a bigger conflict. So watch till the end to fully understand to the setup of the story. The story begins with Marin, a young woman who is deeply in love. She wants to marry the man she has chosen for herself. However, Marin's life is controlled by her stepfather. Without asking for her opinion, he has already arranged her marriage with a rich man who lives abroad. According to him, this marriage will secure Marin's future financially, but he completely ignores her emotion and personal choice. On one side, there is her love, on the other side, there is her family pressure. She knows that speaking up will create chaos in the family, but staying silent means losing the person she loves forever. This inner struggle shows the reality of many girls who are forced to sacrifice their happiness to obey family decision. Finally, Mehrin gathers all her courage and speaks clearly. She tells her stepfather that she loves someone and that she will not marry anyone else. Instead of understanding her feelings, her stepfather becomes furious. He feels that his authority has been challenged. He strongly declared that Mehrin has no right to choose her life partner for him. His decision is final. Marin's stepfather is portrayed as a strict and dominating man. He believes that controlling his family makes him powerful. He proudly claims that he is a man of one world. Once he decided something, it must happen, no matter who gets hurt. It clearly shows how ego and authority can destroy emotional bonds inside a family. Marin's mother understands her daughter's pain. He knows that Marin is suffering, but he chooses silence, not because she agrees, but because he is afraid. Her silence represents many women who live under dominance and sacrifice their emotions to keep the family together. The drama then introduces another family with two brothers, Fahad and Samir. Fahad is the elder son. He is responsible, disciplined, and financially support the entire family. On the other hand, Samir, the younger brother, lives a carefree life. He avoids responsibility, spend time roaming around, and depend on others for his need. Despite being irresponsible, Samir is often protected and defended. Meanwhile, Fahad silently curious and the financial and emotional burden of the family. His favoritism creates an frustration and emotional imbalance. It shows how unfair treatment can slowly break responsible people from inside. The first part of this drama focuses on emotional setup. It highlights Marin's fight between love and obedience, her stepfather's ego and control, and the contest between Fahad's responsibility and Samir's negligence. This parallel conflict prepares the audience for a powerful emotional journey ahead. This is only the beginning when Marin's love collides with her stepfather ego and family pressure crosses its limits. The consequences will change many lives. So stay tuned for the next part. I love this.